Okay, so what is worth doing probably is reading this UN summary um, of the Clinton parameters, they're called. So Camp David, which is a sort of retreat for the US president in the US that Clinton liked to use a lot, George Bush liked to use it a lot. They all go there a bit. Some of them prefer it more than others. But Clinton, what he does is he gets the Israeli prime minister and the leader of the Palestine Liberation Organization to Camp David to discuss peace. And you'll note that this is after this summit, you get another intifada. So the summit does not end particularly well. However, what sort of Clinton gets out of it, and I think the world gets out of it, is a relatively concrete notion of what a two-state solution, if it was possible, would look like. And here's what Clinton says he thinks is necessary. So a sovereign, viable Palestinian state that would accommodate Israel's security requirements and the demographic realities. That would definitely include the Gaza Strip and the vast majority of the West Bank, while settlement blocks would be incorporated into Israel with the goal of maximizing the number of settlers in Israel while minimizing the land annex. And that, he says, is because if Palestine is going to be a viable state, then it has to be geographically contiguous. So Clinton does not think it's viable to have these tiny, isolated Palestinian areas, urban village areas, areas A and B, for instance, in the Oslo Accord. He thinks that you really need two states that, in a very complex way, but are contiguous. They sort of join up in a more coherent way, so that you don't have these tiny, isolated enclaves. So that's Camp David Summit. It's very important. If you want to look at that, if you're very interested in the two-state solution, then there's much more research to be done into that.